Here I am, K. Ghosh, with a different idea, English Proverbs and its meaning. Hello. Today I will not say something new, but something different, and that is proverb. We'll talk about proverb. What is a proverb? And then see, we'll talk, we gain something from proverbs. Our knowledge is enhanced with the help of proverb. So let's see what we do with it. What is proverb? First, let us look into it. What is a proverb in English? Let's see what we find in proverb which is in English. It is a short sentence that the people use it often as a quote, which gives you some sense, some idea. As a bird of feather flocks together. See? The enemy of my enemy is my friend. See? Not to waste much of your time, today I will be talking about 4 proverbs only. See, 4 proverbs. And what are these 4 proverbs? Let us have a look into it. First is beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Second is birds of a feather flock together. Third is deserve then desire. Fourth is all that glitters is not gold. So remember, don't get deceived by the things which glitters. Let us look into the first proverb. Beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. Beauty is an individual taste unless it is extraordinary. See, and the second proverb is birds of a feather flock together. Despite many varieties, the birds aggregate with their own kind. Third is first deserve, then desire. Before getting anything, you must deserve yourself to get that thing. And then you desire, you get it. Otherwise, you will keep on repenting. This is another nice proverb. And the last proverb for today is all that glitters is not gold. So external appearance can be deceptive. By seeing, you should not judge that this is good or bad. So external appearance can be deceptive. All that glitters is not gold. I think definitely you must have liked this video. And thank you so much for watching this video. In my next video again, you will find 4 more proverbs to enhance your knowledge. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you aim at the sky, you will reach at least the top of the tree. Now in my next video, you will be finding more new proverbs. Till then, goodbye.